To celebrate the most witchy months, I wanted to make myself a little witchy picnic, so we're making the snacks for it. I decided to make 3 different things, the first one being pumpkin-shaped bread buns. The dough is an easy, simple yeast dough that I tried to color with tomato paste and lots of turmeric, so that they would look a little orangey, like pumpkins. It was working alright. It didn't turn out that orange, but it was fine. While the dough for the pumpkin buns was rising and resting, I already prepared the dough for finger-shaped cookies. Looks so good. They look so funny and Halloweeny. I love making them, and they're delicious. Time to use my hands. made pumpkin buns, like little pumpkin breads last year, and they were a huge hit. This year I don't have enough time to steam pumpkin to make pumpkin puree, because here you don't really get that at the grocery store, so I'd have to make it myself, and I was too lazy to do so. So I tried to get the color of pumpkin, like I tried to make the dough a little orangey, and I will give them pumpkin shape, but no actual pumpkin is inside them, which was in the original recipe. You use food safe thread and you weave it around the pumpkin a few times. Around the pumpkin, around the dough. It's not a pumpkin yet, we're trying to make it into a pumpkin. And you have a little pumpkin. This needs to rest for another half an hour, and then they're ready to bake. Soft butter. What a better way is there to celebrate the 1st of October than with a witchy picnic? The wind is a little too much for my head. It keeps blowing off, so maybe I will get rid of the hat eventually. But I thought I'd get a little outside to celebrate the 1st of October, the month of the witch. I'm going full out on the witch theme this month. I thought it was a fun idea to spend a very witchy month, starting with this picnic. Sadly, I couldn't light the candles. I made myself a little buffet. I love these finger cookies. I made them last year for Halloween and they were a hit. I think they look so funny. And with them, I feel like the witch in Hänsel und Gretel. The witch keeps feeling Hänsel's fingers to see if he gained weight. And these cookies really spread in the oven, so they were smaller, but they gained a little weight. So it really reminded me of Hänsel und Gretel. And they're so good. I also took my tarot cards to do a little reading, which was very fun and insightful. I need to practice a little more. I'm not that knowledgeable. But yeah, I will enjoy this picnic here outside. I will enjoy this October in a very witchy and Halloweeny way. I will go full out. Today we have a new moon, and as witches, of course, we have to use the energy of the new moon for a new moon ritual. Since I want to spend this month as witchy as possible, I thought that would be very fitting. So we will be doing a ritual to release things that don't serve us anymore, bad habits, bad self-image, thoughts that hold us back and that we want to let go of, that we want to release, bad memories maybe, or emotions that we don't want to have anymore, that we want to let go of. And we'll be having a little bonfire. I have not made a bonfire in so long. I used to know how to make it. We'll see how it goes today. Yeah, that's what we'll be doing today, because we're witches.